Good morning. So, in this video, we are going to cover node table and each table in the SQL Server. Uh, so, these two tables belongs to graph table. So here is the graph table. If you see this database, here is the graph table. So how we can store graph information in graph means all the tables are organized in the form of node and edge. Node represent the data a particular entity has, and edge represent the relationship between the entities. So let me go through it. Node table represent entities in your graph like person, city, product. They are created similar to regular table but designated as node during creation. And SQL Server automatically add a hidden node ID column to these node tables, which uniquely identifies each node and is used for establishing relations between with the edges. For the edge table, each table represents relationship between node, likes, friends with, live in. They are created similar to regular table but are designated as edge during creation. Each table contains hidden from ID and to ID column which stores the node ID values of the connected node, establishing the relationship. Each table can also have their own properties such as start date for a list in relationship. That is fine. So let's see this in action. So I have created the step-by-step tutorial here. For this purpose, and let us see advanced database. So here I'm in the first step. I'm trying to create a table called person. So this person table already exists, but it will create a person table. Then I'm creating a each table with the nodes, with the name nodes, and which stores the friendship day. So let me refresh the database so that we can recreate, delete those tables and recreate the table. So I'm deleting this table and nodes. And again recreating it with the script. So table is created, that is node table. Now I'm creating the edge table. I'm inserting some data into node table. So 3 rows has been inserted. I'm inserting some data in the edge table. So this is the syntax for syntax to insert data into edge table. Insert into nodes from ID to ID and friendship date. We can have extra fields in this H table as well, but I'm having only one field, friendship days. So it is taking node ID from the P1, node ID from the P2, and get date, current date. And in the where clause I have mentioned P1 name is equal to Elias, it will go give the node. P2 name is equal to Bob, it will give the record for Bob. So let me run this. So this record has been created. To read the data from the node table is simple, nothing great. So you can see type node, schema DBO table person, and ID one. These are the content of the node ID. Okay. Now, how can we read the data from node H table? Using match statement. So, person P1, person P2, knows person P2. So, let us see. The query is who knows Elias? Means who is friend with the Elias. So, the result is Bob, because we have already inserted that record into nodes. Okay. So, how can we update the data? Updating a H table is as simple as normal SQL query. That is how it works. But when I update H table, then we have to follow this syntax. Update, set friendship date is days, from nodes, comma, person HP1, person HP2, and we have given the condition to locate the P1 and P2. So this is how update will work. So this data has been updated. Now, if I try to read the record, P1 name, P2 name, friendship date. So here P1 dot name and node dot friendship date. Let's see. So I'm just copying the and here node dot friendship date. So if I run this query, see person HP1. Okay, typo. it's not working. Let me comment this for time being and let us see. Eloise, Alicia and Bob. So the name has been changed to Alicia, and that's why it was not bringing the result. That is perfectly all right. So this way we can find who is friend with whom and from which time. Now let us update the record. Updating is as simple as this normal query, but updating age node is similar to reading. So update node knows set friendship date is equal to this from node person P1 person P2 did two fields for specific records which we have located here. So let me run this query and it will change the friendship date as 2013-15. So let's read the record again. So we can see the friendship date has been changed. That is perfectly all right. So we are able to update the node as well as age. Now deleting from node is just like any simple SQL, but deleting from the age. This is the syntax which will work for deleting the age. And also note one thing, when we delete the node, SQL Server will automatically delete all the associated ages from the age table. So let me delete. So I have deleted the record. So if we try to try to run this query now, there is no match because the record has been deleted and it won't give any record. So how can we insert the record? Again, if I insert this record, insert into friendship date. So let me see how many records are there in the node table. So select star num person. Okay, that is fine. So why it is not inserting the record? Because name has been changed to Alicia. So now it will insert the record. ELICIA, why is not inserting the record? Okay, here. Now it has inserted the record, and if we run the select query now, it will give us the record. So that's all about CRUD in the graph table. Thank you.